Welcome back to the channel, tech fans. We've got something really special to share with you today. Are you tired of squinting at dull, uninspired screens? Or maybe your current monitor just doesn't spark joy or keep up with your busy life. What if I told you there's a display that combines breathtaking visuals, impressive sound, and serious eye comfort, all wrapped in a stunning modern package? Get ready to meet the Dell S2725DS Monitor, a 27-inch QHD powerhouse that's designed to elevate your entire digital experience. From the moment you unbox it, the Dell S2725DS makes a statement. Its striking ash-white finish is a breath of fresh air, moving away from the sea of black monitors and instantly upgrading the aesthetic of any desk setup. But this monitor isn't just about looks. It's a masterclass in functionality. We've been putting it through its paces, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. First up, let's talk about those stunning visuals and the surprising acoustic excellence. This 27-inch display boasts a QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440. What does that mean for you? It means you're getting an incredible 1.77 times more detail than a standard full HD monitor. Imagine seeing every single pixel of your spreadsheet, every intricate detail in your photos, or every texture in your favorite game. With this Dell, everything comes to life with incredible clarity and sharpness. Whether you're a content creator, a student, or just someone who appreciates a crisp image, this resolution makes a massive difference. But Dell didn't stop there. They've integrated dual 5-watt speakers with a wide dynamic range right into the monitor. No more tinny laptop audio or cluttering your desk with external speakers. For video calls, catching up on your favorite shows, or even some casual music listening, these speakers deliver surprisingly rich, full sound, allowing you to immerse yourself fully without needing extra gear. Now, if you spend hours in front of a screen like I do, you know the struggle of eye fatigue. This is where the Dell S2725DS truly shines with its enhanced eye comfort. This 27-inch monitor has achieved the TV Rheinland 4-star eye comfort certification. That's the latest industry standard, folks. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. It's a commitment to your well-being. The certification means the monitor is engineered to significantly reduce blue light emissions and minimize flicker, which are two of the biggest culprits behind eye strain and fatigue. So, whether you're crunching numbers all day, writing code, or diving deep into a gaming session, your eyes will feel noticeably less tired. It's an investment in your long-term comfort and productivity, allowing you to stay focused and productive for longer periods without that nagging discomfort. But comfort isn't just about your eyes. It's also about your posture and how you interact with your workspace. This monitor offers incredible ergonomic flexibility with height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments. This means you can easily customize the screen's position to perfectly match your eye level and sitting posture, whether you're standing, sitting, or even collaborating with someone next to you. Need to read long documents or work on code? Simply pivot the screen to portrait mode for a completely different workflow experience. This level of adjustability ensures that the monitor adapts to you, not the other way around, promoting better posture and reducing neck and back strain. Combined with that stunning ash-white design, it's not just a functional tool. It's a centerpiece that enhances your entire setup, making your workspace more inviting and efficient. Plus, with a 100 Hz refresh rate, your scrolling and casual gaming will feel incredibly smooth and responsive. So, who is the Dell S2725DS for? It's for anyone who demands more from their monitor. It's for the professional seeking a comfortable and productive workspace, for the casual gamer who appreciates smooth visuals, for the student who needs clarity for research, and for anyone who values a beautiful, functional centerpiece for their home office. The Dell S2725DS isn't just a monitor. It's an upgrade to your entire digital life, offering a perfect blend of visual brilliance, acoustic quality, and unparalleled comfort. Ready to transform your workspace and give your eyes a much-needed break? You can find all the details, current pricing, and purchase links for the Dell S2725DS monitor in the description below. Invest in your productivity, your comfort,